Hello mga ka-baker! For this video, I will going to share you a simple recipe of chiffon cake. So we need 3 bowl here for our dry ingredients, egg yolk mixture, and for our meringue. So let's start. So kailangan po natin ng mga mixing bowl and we need to sanitize it using our vinegar. Okay? Kasi po kapag madumi yung ating bowl, hindi mabubuo yung ating meringue. Okay? Then, we need to prepare 3 bowl sa paghihiwalay po ng egg yolk and egg whites. So, we will crack the egg one at a time. Okay? To avoid wastage. Kasi po kapag nahaluan niya ng egg yolk, yung ating egg whites, ay hindi na po mabubuo yung meringue natin. So, we crack the egg one at a time. So, in this recipe, kailangan po natin ng 4 na pirasong itlog. Okay? So, para maging madali, no, yung paghiwalay natin ng egg yolks and egg white, pwede nating ilagay yung itlog sa refrigerator muna, no, bago natin ito paghiwalayin. Okay? So, dapat maging maingat, no? Ayan. So, last egg. So, that is 3 bowl method po, no? Kapag nagsa-separate tayo ng egg yolks and egg whites. Okay. So, at this point, we're going to prepare our egg yolk mixture. So, kailangan dito natin ng oil and also water. Okay. 1/4 cup canola oil. And also 1/3 cup of water and a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then we're going to mix it to combine. Then we will set it aside, okay? And now, prepare na po natin yung ating dry ingredients. Okay? So, kailangan po natin ng 1 and 1/8 cup cake flour. Okay? So, cake flour po ang gagamitin natin. And then, kailangan din natin ng baking powder, which is 1 and 1/2 teaspoon. So, in baking po, accuracy is the key. No? Dapat po sakto yung mga measurement. And also, we will add sugar. 6 tablespoon granulated sugar. Okay. Para syempre po matamis ang ating cake. Then we will add a little bit of iodized salt. Then we will sieve it again to make sure na wala pong masamang ibang ingredients diyan and maging pino po yung ating ingredients for our dry mixture. Okay? So, ready na po ang ating dry mixture. Ang gagawin po natin next is hahaluin po yan. And i-combine po natin yung ating egg yolk mixture. Okay, pag pinagsama po yung dry and yung egg yolk mixture or liquid mixture, the result is butter mixture. So, that is BA po, no? Combination of dry and liquid ingredients. Okay, set aside lang po natin yung ating butter mixture and at this point, I will going to prepare po yung mga ingredients natin para sa ating meringue. Okay, sa meringue po natin, kailangan natin ng 6 tablespoon granulated sugar. Okay, and i-ready ko na rin po yung ating cake pan, round pan po, no? So, dalawa po yung ginamit ko dito since maliit lang naman po yung pan. So, that is 6 inches round pan. Okay, so yan po yung technique ko, no? Paglalagay ng baking paper. Okay, and proceed na tayo sa ating meringue, no? Using hand mixer. Okay, na-start ko na po yan i-whisk, no? Then, kapag foamy na po siya, we will add cream of tartar, our stabilizing agent, no? And para maging white po, no? Yung ating egg whites. So, that is the functions of the cream of tartar. Okay, so, i-add lang po natin yung sugar gradually. Pautay-utay lamang po. No? Hanggang makuha po natin yung stiff peak. Okay, so that is the right consistency of meringue na kailangan po natin. Okay, pag inangat po natin yung whisk, is nakatayo na po siya. Hindi na po siya nag-bend. And also, pag in-invert natin yung pole, ay hindi na po siya malalaglag. So, that is the indication na sapat na po yung pagbibit natin ng ating egg whites or meringue. Okay? So, we will mix it. Ayan. So, dapat din po is, ingat din, no? Dapat ay hindi ito ma-overmix. Ayan. So, medyo soft pa siya. So, kailangan ko pa siyang i-mix ulit, no? Don't overmix it, no? Dapat hindi po siya magda-dry. Okay, so ayan, okay na po yan. Then, invert natin, okay na. So, yung butter mixture po natin, okay, may nakita akong Bakersfield the chocolate. Nilagyan ko, no? So, that is my request. That is the request of my student, no? Gusto niya i-chocolate. Sige, go. Okay, so pwede naman po yan. Then, cut and fold lang po, no? We will add po yung ating meringue dun sa ating butter mixture. Gradually din po, no? Pautay-utay lamang. Okay, so avoid overmixing din po dito, no? Dapat hindi po mawala yung air na in-incorporate natin nung binibit natin yung ating egg whites. Okay, so ayan. Halo-halo lang. Okay. Dapat mahalo din ng mabuti, no? Para pantay po yung kanyang kulay. Okay, then okay na po yan. Sasali na po natin siya sa ating cake pan, round pan po natin. And na-preheat ko na po dito yung oven natin. So, 350 degree Fahrenheit. Isasalang na po natin yan. So, lagi po natin tatandaan, no, na bago tayo mag-start sa ating meringue, make sure po is preheated na po yung ating oven. Kasi, dapat hindi po mag-aantay ng matagal yung ating meringue, no, kasi babagsak po yan. Okay, so ayan, nakasalang po, hindi pa luto. Ayan. And then, ayan, okay na po siya. And also, I have a separate video po, no, sa paggawa po ng caramel filling. Okay. So, yan po yung 3 egg yolk na natira po dun sa icing. So, I have a separate video po, no. So, sayang po kaya ginawa ko na, no. Gumawa ako ng caramel filling. Okay, yan po yung pinangpalaman natin sa ating cake. So, that is a chocolate chiffon. Okay. Then, ayan na po, no? So, that is the final output. Medyo kinapos tayo sa icing. Okay, kasi ginamit pa, no? May pinagamitan pa tayo. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I hope na marami po kayong natutunan. So, see you again for my next video. God bless!